What you asked is how I make this piece, the stand-up part that stands up over my coiled coil. So if you've got your coiled coil, which is actually two parts, the base coil is the little tiny curl that I did over the mandrel. And then what I did is I ran a wire through it, pulled it off, ran a wire through it, and coiled it again. So in order to get that detail, what I've done is take another wire, and you want to make sure that you go from left to right or right to left, depending on which direction your coil goes or which direction is more comfortable for your hands. So, but remember to go easy and lay the coil down. Don't pull too tight or the coil will fall down, or the decorative wire will fall down between the coils. There you go. So it should look like that. You just continue all the way down, and when you get down to the end, you can just grab it and wind it around and make it more decorative. And then it just slides off. And you can bend it and shape it. You can curl it over, fold it over in the back. You can use it in the front. So it's easier to do when it's before you take it off the mandrel, because once it's off the mandrel, it doesn't like to sit still quite nearly as much. It wants to squish and move around in your hand. So I suggest working on a mandrel. Like I said, in this case, it's a 20 gauge piece of steel I got at Ace Hardware, and I cut it into sections. I have 18, 16, 20, 22, and that's what I use to make my coils.